What's up, guys? Matt here. Decided to take a little day trip down to the beach even though it's raining. Still nice to just get away. Trying to keep you guys updated while the car's down. I'm hoping within the next month we'll have an engine in the G, and my plan as of right now is to keep the car. If that changes, you guys will know. Also, some new news. TJ did get a new car. He sold the G35. I have to spill it to you guys, but I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. I'm going to let him do all that once we get up. And yeah, just stay tuned, you guys. As you can see, it's raining, but hey, don't always got to be a beach day to go to the beach, right? Just take a day off, come down, enjoy some change of scenery. But hey, guys, you know, while the car is down, still gonna keep you guys updated, still gonna get videos out there. Like I said, drop in the comments below. Let me know what else you guys like to see, just besides all the car content and stuff. TJ also got a new car, guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys too much about it because I'm gonna wait for him to tell you guys. We were gonna link up yesterday, but just never ended up hanging out. But yeah, man, we'll let TJ tell you guys when we see him, and we'll let him talk about why he decided to sell the G, because not too happy about that one, but shit happens, right? Going to pit, drew up right now. Cars are still down, still looking for an engine right now, but let's believe we will be back sooner than ever. Yo, see, tell them what's going on with the 37, bro. What we doing right now?
We're in the fucking Honda Civic.
Nah, it's an Accord.
It's an Accord.
An Accord, bro.
Accord.
Get it right.
We're in the Honda Accord. The engine from the G37 blew up. My seed.
They already know, but you just telling them.
Yeah, that shit blew up. That shit gone. My seed gotta replace the engine now. And you know,
Donnie out here, man. Donnie's about to send it.
yo.
All right, guys, Matt back here. So we were just kicking yesterday with Drew and a couple of friends and stuff. Right now, in case y'all haven't seen, it's my cat Luna. Say hi. Yep, she just said hi to y'all. But basically just went to another job interview. I've been trying to get jobs, like just trying to get, you know, something right now. It's all right, you know, we all have to do it just to get by sometimes. I'm sure not a lot of you like working for other people either, but you know, that's why we're sticking with you guys, just waiting to get the car back. So let me know, like I said, let me know in the comments down if in the comments down below if y'all like this vlog style, like I've been saying. Just let me know if y'all like these vlogs and want to see more vlogs. And even if it's not all car stuff every video, just let me know if you like the daily life or, you know. Yeah, man, we live. All right, so TJ just woke. Tell him what you did, bro. You just woke me up, man.
So, you know what I'm saying? I had to surprise the DriftTweakers family out here and shit. But TJ's rocking the new VW, you know what I'm saying? I know it sounds cringe, but only for a couple of months, all right? And then we're going to get the G35 sedan, okay? Just give me some patience.
Yeah, we getting a bucket too, guys.
A bucket too, but we're going to get a BMW bucket, proud. But I'm going to show you what's up with the new whip, man. Guys, it's TJ here. So I know recently in the other video, I told you guys that I was like not going to sell the G, but some shit happened. And should I just tell them like everything that happened with it and all that from selling it and shit? So,
yeah, just go ahead review the car first, then we'll tell them.
So first of all, I sold the G, but this is my new whip. This is just my daily, so I'm still gonna get a swing car, but this is my daily right now. It's just a 2005 GTI Volkswagen. It's the 1.8 turbo. It's got a KO4 turbo. It's got a downpipe, fully straight pipe all the way through, intake, exhaust, and everything. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys around real quick. I mean, I bought it for $3,500. But I brought the guy to 31 actually, but he wanted 35, but I couldn't like I wasn't painting it because there's some flaws I'm gonna show you guys, but this is it right here. But as you can see, like I pointed out some things like right here, like I told him he needed to paint it, and then so he put in new headlights. These are really fire. I like these.
Yeah.
But also, you guys can tell like the rims kinda are like greenish, and I was just like, that's like really like Mexi rig, you know?
Yeah, it's
like,
kind of.
But he got coilovers on it, so I mean it's lower, guys. So
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? We low life, we're scraping.
Yeah.
But also I lowered them because the roof needs probably wrapped black. And then he put in a roof rack right here, but I might put in a roof rack too, because the screw holes are right here. But other than that, everything else is clean. Like
Got a little quick lease on there, energy steering wheel.
yeah. And then the back actually is really clean. It's probably the cleanest part. Actually has nothing wrong with it. And then we got, fully straight pipe all the way through, a little tip action. This should sound good. I'll give you guys a startup in a second. But
Pretty clean. Paint's pretty clean besides the roof and the front. But
you know what I'm saying? We got the L in there. Shit.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Here we go, guys. So, DriftTweakers out here and shit. 9 a.m., you know what I mean? Just cracking it up and shit.
let's see what's under the hood,
Alright,
bro.
listen, what we got under the hood, man? We got full intake, right? You know what I'm saying? Get a rig by TJ. Look at this little thing. We're in a little sausage plug. But look, now we got the intake. We got the downpipe down here, as you can see. But the KO4 turbo's in the heating spot. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But you can see, as you can tell. And then, you know what I'm saying? Look at this shit, you ruining my video. But no, like I was saying, that's about it right now. But we gotta get an intercooler for it soon, because then we can go stage 2 and get this 2-step and shit and be wildin'. But we have to go lower, because I'm trying to like be like Matt. I'm trying to get them straight.
He's trying to be like me, y'all.
Sparks. I'm trying to get them sparks. I gotta get the sparks coming when we drive, and that way we have both of us getting rollers and sparking.
All right, man. So tell them what happened to the 35. What's the story?
Alright, guys, so basically what fucking happened and shit was I sold the fucking G, man, to this kid, man. Pointing shit out on the G, though, like, you know what I'm saying? Disrespected TJ, you know what I'm saying? For, like, the Drift Tweaker community, because that's just my whip. That's just how it is, man. And, like, just because it wasn't his way when he got there, you know what I mean? He's like, oh, look. I'm like, listen, my boy.
Well, you saw the pictures, right?
He saw the pictures already. I sent him the video, and then he's just complaining, man, trying to lower the price, G. But listen, the G was, like, fucking up, guys. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just had a couple things wrong, like, and it had a lot of high mileage, so, like, it wasn't probably going to last too much longer. So that's why I got the daily, as you can see, and then I'm going to fucking get another, but I'm getting the sedan, like, in a couple months, probably 5 months. Or less. I'm gonna try my hardest. And then, but this is what happened. He starts pointing shit out, and like this motherfucker like was talking about that one rim on there. You know the Nismo rim.
Yeah.
He's like, oh yeah, you gotta take it off for me and put on the other tires. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Then he started trying to point me out for shit like, blah blah this, blah blah that, and all this, and the fender, and like y'all DriftTweakers know the fender's been fucked up since fucking what 4 or 5 months ago.
Shit, yeah. The first video.
The first video, motherfucker, with Fender was fucked up. So listen, I wasn't worried about it. So like TJ, you know what I'm saying? He's complaining so much. He made me do all this work for him. Made me go to AutoZone with him. I didn't even know the motherfucker. He made me get in his car and go to AutoZone to get a sprocket for my fucking rim shit, my lug nose. I was like, all right. I went there, man. It was awkward as shit, bro. Came back. Took off the tires for him, put on the 350s for him. So, like, you know what I'm saying? TJ did some more work than he expected. You know what I'm saying? So, TJ wanted his money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So,
and
what
then,
happened
and
was...
what happened after he sold it
man,
to him?
So, TJ ain't telling me I had a little pokey in the, in the gas tank. You know what I'm saying? So, I ain't mentioned nothing. He was trying to be a dick and shit. Man, I'm gonna sauce him. You know what I'm saying? So, what I did, I didn't tell him nothing. You know what I'm saying? He left. But after he left, look, this is what happened. I was like, all right, bro, I'll catch you, man. I got the money. And I'm like just sitting under there, right, man, like smoking and shit. And this motherfucker, like, bro, I hear like in my neighborhood, man, I'm, whoa, whoa, whoa. And I'm like, oh my God, it's my car. And I knew he was coming back. And he comes back and he gets out of the car. He's like, yo, I'm not buying this fucking shit box. And I'm just sitting there like, what the fuck? The title's already signed over, bro. And I fucking have your money. Like, you're not. He said, I can't fucking have this shit. He's like, I want my money back. And I was like, no. That's what I told him. He was like, it's got a hole in it, bro. I was like, no, it doesn't, bro.
You already bought it, bro.
You already bought it, bro. But listen, I told him that, like, bro, I forgot, honestly, because, like, guys, I only put, like, 30, 20 bucks in my tank. I don't even put more than $50. This motherfucker put 50, 60 bucks in the tank.
And then it had little spills.
This had a simple spill, you know what I'm saying? 20 bucks may have spilled out of that motherfucker. And he came back and he was flipping. And you know what I'm saying? Like, he was trying to blow it up before he got to me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Down the
Probably to say you sold it to him, blew it up or some shit.
Yeah, but I don't know, guys. Yeah, that shit happened. It was crazy. It was probably the craziest experience of me selling a car, bro. Like, I almost fought him in my fucking yard and shit, bro. That shit was crazy.
That's it, man. That was.
Yo, we out here at Wawa and shit. 9:30 a.m. We going to Jimmy's at 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, star and gear. Limitless power. Yo, bro. Are you doing washing your hands?